Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Belkin SOUNDFORM Freedom headphones and I'm going to show you all the gestures you have to know. As you can see here, I have my headphone. This is the right earphone. If I tap on this touch panel, our music will be increased volume. This slider over here, as you can see. If I double tap, we can pause and unpause our music. With the triple tap, we can go to the next song. What about the left one? Pausing and pausing is the same, as you can see. If we double tap, we are decreasing, if we one tap, we are decreasing our volume level. And if we triple tap, we are going backwards. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.